Okay, so here you see I have the printer powered up. It says build from card, utilities, settings, and I put in a spool, and spool's always right in the machine. So all I have to do is go down to utilities, press the OK button, change spool, and then I'm going to load filament. And you see it's turning. Let's go down a little bit so that we can make sure this actually goes up. See, it's turning. And the extruder is heating up here. And you see I've already added the painter's tape. Okay, while that's loading, I have my computer up, and I'm going to open up XYZ Wear right there. And with the printer, you'll get the USB and the plug. Extruder's still heating up. Okay, and here we find loading the filament. It says loading, please wait. So now you see the filament going inside the extruder through the hose. And once it goes down into the hose, it's going to go through the extruder. That's going down smoothly, means there's no clogs in the extruder. Now it takes some time to load, so it says OK to return. Okay, we press OK, put home button here, and that's it. Now we're back on our computer, and we're gonna pick something to print. Okay, prints. Let's see. We have. Let's see. This one. We lost them today. Okay, and we're gonna check if the settings are right. It is DaVinci Junior. Okay. Okay, and then we're just gonna put print. Because I just already, I'm just going to submit it through the cord to the printer, and as it says, building, file checking, initialing, press. Okay, you might want to take out the filament. Oh, we didn't take out the filament. But there we are, it's building here. Okay. Well. Okay, it's about time we want to open the window. It's best to have like a well ventilated area so that you won't get any CO2 emissions there. Okay, so once the extruder is heated, it will start printing. Okay, so here you have the building. Time passed, estimated time, 20 minutes. And there we got our first starting to print, and our first draw out the settings. And then once it starts drawing out settings, you will be able to see now. For you to see it, I'm going to pause it so it moves away, and you can see what it looks like so far. So you see that's the first starting out as it starts out printing, and I paused it so you could see that it's actually printing. Or it's resuming, and it'll start exactly where it was. You usually have like 3 minutes to pause and resume for this machine, but yeah, I'll put in everything, then and estimate time increases because I paused it, but yeah, you can see that it's starting out to print. So I see it's going to take some time to be ready, but you can see that the filament is feeding into the machine, and that's actually printing. Before I actually send this to you, I'll be doing some maintenance mostly on the hose, cleaning extruder, just cleaning around the machine a little bit. But and I'll give you what you need to clean the pin to clean the extruder and spatula, and probably like a small tube of painters, and probably one of these as well, so you can start, you know, printing something. So as you can see, the printer works and it's still printing and it hasn't paused or anything, and I will show you the finished product with a picture. And look, now it says 20 minutes left. So there you go. You got a working 3D printer.